Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're running an online store on Shopify and managing your finances in Zoho Books, this video is a must-watch. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Zoho Books to Shopify in just a few simple steps. By the end, your sales and accounting will sync seamlessly, saving you tons of time and headaches. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and log in to your Zoho Books account. Make sure you have full access so you can use all features, including integrations. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the My Account option, usually at the top right corner. Click on it and it will open a menu with personalized settings and options for your account. Next, within the My Account menu, click on Settings. This is the control center for configuring preferences and integrations for your Zoho Books account. Inside Settings, find the Connections section. This is where you can manage all your integrations, whether it's Shopify, payment gateways, or other apps. Now, click on the New Connection button. This will bring up a list of platforms you can integrate with Zoho Books. From the list of available integrations, select Shopify. This tells Zoho Books exactly which platform you want to connect to. Finally, click Create and Connect. You may need to log into your Shopify account to authorize the integration. Once connected, your Shopify orders, invoices, and payments will automatically sync with Zoho Books, making your accounting effortless. And that's it. You're now all set with Zoho Books connected to Shopify. From tracking sales to managing invoices, everything is streamlined and efficient. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.